How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Mosaic. We got Mosaic break 318 for those of you that were already up in a couple breaks tonight. If not, if you're new, welcome in. Welcome to the group. Glad to have you guys. We did do a freebie in the group. I posted a few days ago the break schedule for this big night of breaks we have scheduled. And I did 6 free teams for those that like to post. Thank you guys for your guys' support. And for the Mosaic Break 318, the Panthers were the free team, and they're going out to Benjamin Bills. Congratulations to Benjamin. Alright, so we'll go ahead and count these packs out and get started, guys. Alright, there's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10. And our final 2 make 12. There's our empty cello box. And good luck, guys. We're going to go ahead and rip open and do the pink packs last. So we'll separate them out. First break of the night, we did the same thing. The pink packs helped us out. We had some big hits out of the pink packs. Try to go Genesis hunting again, see if we can get some stained glass, some sort of case hit. And while I'm opening this, I'll talk to you guys. I had told the last break we get a open break in the group, break number 300. It is a little pricey compared to most, but we're going big for our 300th break. And there's 25 mega boxes and an optic sparkle pack, so there's a chance of 1-on-1 downtowns in there. But to make it even sweeter, I did a little Black Friday shopping today, and I got a T-Mall box of Prism on the way. So you guys are the first to hear it, but I'm going to be throwing in a T-Mall hobby box of Prism as that bonus for that break. So if you guys are interested, just message me, hit me up. I'll help you find the break posting. Or you can check the featured section. It should be posted at the top of the group. But it doesn't have anything about that T-Mall box. That's breaking news. Alright, guys, we'll go with the regular packs first, and then we'll move to the pink camo packs. Robert Tonyan, Allen Robinson, Dan Fouts, Chase Claypool. There's a Zach Wilson debut for the Jets. Kyler Murray NFC. Joe Montana. Got a green Mosaic Joe DeLemieux. Amari Cooper got game. Julio Jones will to win on the green Mosaic. Rookies are Chris Evans and Dez Fitzpatrick. And just so you guys are aware, just for the sake of time, I'm just going to top load the hits while we're breaking, but all rookies inserts and color will definitely be sleeved, and then, like I said, the hits will be top loaded. Jared Goff, Stephon Diggs, Max Crosby, Jerome Bettis, Devontae Parker, Russell Wilson Man of the Year, Stephon Diggs AFC, green Mosaic, Adrian Amos on the color match, got Game Gronk, Touchdown Masters Nick Chubb, rookies are Shi Smith for the Panthers and Nashawn Wright for the Cowboys. Alright, so I am prepared for this one, Moberly. Your teams in this one are the Browns, Raiders, and the Titans. If anybody else needs to know, I do have a list handy. I can help you out with your teams. Julio Jones, Drew Brees, LaVisca. There's a Trey Lance debut to go along with that Wilson. Stafford, NFC. Kurt Warner, Super Bowl MVPs. Oh, we got some points here to random off. So that'll be fun. I just was talking about how I'm going to do that without the laptop. I have a deck of cards that I had made. I planned on doing some whatnot. Never happened, but we'll use that deck of cards to randomize these points. So we will put those points up, and we will find us a winner at the end of the break. Zeke on the green Mosaic. Will to win, Allen Robinson. Touchdown Masters, green Mosaic, Dalvin Cook. Kyle Pitts and a Nwangwu for the Vikings. Kareem Hunt, Matt Ryan, Von Miller, Plaxico Burress, Darren Waller, Alvin Kamara, Tom Brady, green Mosaic, Kareem Hunt, got game Lamar Jackson, Touchdown Masters AJ Brown for the Titans, got a Peyton Turner and an Eli Mitchell for the Niners. Brian Urlacher, Gardner Minshew, Keenan Allen, Deontay Johnson, Byron Jones, Nick Chubb, Najee Harris on the debut, green Mosaic, Gardner Minshew, Will to win, Joe Montana, Hollow Mosaic, Travis Kelce, Ramadre for the Patriots, and a Demetric Felton for the Browns. Mark Brunell, Antoine Winfield Jr., Michael Strahan, Henry Ruggs, Derek Brooks Man of the Year, Josh Jacobs, got a Hollow Mosaic, Deontay Johnson for the Steelers, green Mosaic, Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. Nice hit there for Atlanta. Falcons going to Mike Falcon. Nice hit. Touchdown Masters Kyler Murray. We have a silver rookie here, Josh Palmer for the Chargers. Nice hit for Daniel. Jalen Camp, and a Terrace Marshall Jr. for Benjamin's free team, Panthers. Zeke, Adrian Amos, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Sam Darnold, DeAndre Hopkins, NFC, Steve Young, Super Bowl MVPs, Warren Moon, Man of the Year. Got a Brian Urlacher, Green Mosaic. Got game, George Kittle. Dan Marino on the Hall of Fame Green. De'Ami Brown, and Khalil Herbert. Joe DeLemieux, Deshaun Watson, James Harrison, Jason Taylor, Man of the Year, Josh Allen, AFC. There's a Waddle debut. Getting all those debuts tonight. Keenan Allen on the Hollow Mosaic for the Chargers. Green Mosaic, Greg Rousseau. Deion Sanders, Hall of Fame. A.J. Brown on the green got game. Got Jalen Darden and a Marquez Stevenson. David Montgomery, Patrick Mahomes, Myles Gaskin, DK Metcalf, Damian Harris, Kirk Cousins NFC, Ray Lewis Super Bowl MVPs, Green Mosaic Matt Ryan for the Falcons, David Montgomery Bang, Hollow Mosaic Patrick Mahomes, going out to the Chiefs. Rookies are Asante Samuel Jr. and there's a Mac Jones for the Patriots. On the true rookie. Otis Anderson, Jerry Jeudy, Josh Allen, Derrick Henry, Leonard Williams, Walter Payton Man of the Year, got a Lamb Jack AFC, Green Mosaic Von Miller, Will to Win Dak Prescott, got a silver Joe Montana for the Niners. And our rookies are Jamin Davis and Davis Mills. Brandon Cooks, Andy Dalton, Dante Hall, Tyler Lockett, Stephon Gilmore, Micah Parsons on the debut for the Cowboys, Holo Mosaic, Sam Darnold, going out to Benjamin, Seth Williams, Green Mosaic, Terry Bradshaw Hall of Fame, silver non-rookie Eric Dickerson for the Rams, Jamar Chase for the Bengals, and a Koromoa for the Browns. Paul, you got the Bengals in this one, little Jamar for you. See if we can't find some color for that one later. Maybe we can get it some company. And for anybody that came in late, we do have Panini points that we hit in an earlier pack. And I will be finding a random winner for those at the end of the break, in case you guys missed it. Alright, last regular pack before we get to the pink camos. Walter Payton, James Robinson, Myles Garrett, Kirk Cousins, Jamal Adams, Jerome Bettis, Deshaun Watson AFC, Green Mosaic Dante Hall for the Chiefs, Justin Jefferson Bang, Hall of Fame Andre Reed, and Seth Williams, Greg Rousseau for the rookies. All right, let's see if we can't find some good color here. Looking for some pink QBs here. Brian Urlacher, Elijah Moore for the Jets, and John Elway for the Broncos. Andy Dalton, not the kind of QBs we're looking for. Reggie Bush and Micah Parsons. There we go, Cowboys. Gregory with the pink Micah on the true, not the debut. Nice hit. It's the kind of rookie color we're looking for. Matt Ryan, Noah Gray, and Kwity Paye debut. Kareem Hunt, Myles Gaskin, and rookie pink Jared Dokes for the Dolphins. I'm pretty sure the Bears were hoping for the pink fields, not the red rifle. Not the Dolphins. Just like the Jags were probably hoping for T-Law, not the Gardner Minshew. James Harrison and Dan Marino. Von Miller, Damian Harris, and Saquon Barkley. Adrian Amos, Plaxico, I Shot My Leg in Burris, and a Dax Milne. Josh Allen, Tutu Atwell, and a Jason Witten Man of the Year. Dante Hall, Gary Brightwell, and Joe Mixon for the Bengals. Darren Waller, Christian Barmore, and Michael Thomas NFC. All right, 2 packs to go, guys. Then we got a bonus pack and our points to figure out. Got a Zeke for the Cowboys, Jalen Hurts for the rival Eagles, and a Trey Sermon debut for the Niners. DK Metcalf, Nico Collins, and a Keenan Allen. All right, we'll do the bonus pack first, then we'll figure out the points and do the hit breakdown. All right, these are the next rookie class, guys. Davis Mills is on the 2nd year. We have the Drew Brees, LaVisca, Foy Olukin, Eric Stokes, Taysom Hill, Tyler Boyd, Frank Clark, Chris Carson, Bo Jackson, Ed Reed, James Conner, Tyler Conklin, Eric Metcalf, Greg Rousseau, Dak Prescott, Jacoby Myers, Michael Strahan, Michael Carter. Our rookies are Fedarian Mathis. Then we have a Wan'Dale Robinson, Rashad White, Charleston Rambo, DeMarvin Leal, George Karlaftis, and red press proofs are TJ Hawkinson, Leonard Williams, and we have a red press proof Joe Montana first ballot. Celebration Josh Allen, Micah Parsons sack attack, Celebration Matthew Stafford, sack attack TJ Watt, first ballot Ray Lewis, potential Kayvon Thibodeau for the Giants, Garrett Wilson for the Jets, Barry Sanders first ballot going to the Lions, T-Law Celebration, potential Malik Willis for the Titans, and a Huddle Up Cowboys, followed by Bake Me a Cake Mayfield. Alright guys, let's find a winner for those 250 Panini points. Alright guys, so I have my NFL cards here. We got all 32 teams in here. So we're going to shuffle these up. And somebody throw me a number and I'll pull that out of the deck. And that'll be our winner. So first number that comes up in the comments will be the number 1 through 32. Throw me a number. Alright, Moberly came through first with 17. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Winner of the Panini points the Jets. Congrats to the Jets. Jets getting the 250 Panini points for this break. Congrats to the Jets. Looks like Jared Shelton with the Jets. Congrats on the Panini points. Make note of that real quick. And here's our hits for the break. Wait, I meant 13. Nico Collins on the pink. Trey Sermon debut. Jared Dokes. Noah Gray. Kwity Paye. Micah Parsons. Elijah Moore. John Elway. Micah Parsons debut. Sam Darnold Holo Mosaic. Seth Williams Green Mosaic. Eric Dickerson Silver. Jamar Chase base. Joe Montana Silver. Davis Mills. Patrick Mahomes Holo Mosaic will to win. Mac Jones. Waddle debut. Keenan Allen Holo Mosaic. Greg Rousseau Green. Kyle Pitts Green. Josh Palmer on the silver. Najee Harris debut. Travis Kelce got game. Trey Lance debut. Dalvin Cook Green Mosaic Touchdown Masters. Kyle Pitts True Rookie, and a Wilson debut for the Jets. And the Panini points going to the Jets as well. Alright guys, that is it for break number 318. I appreciate your guys' support. And if you guys are in break 319, let me reset and I'll be back with a new live stream. So hold on for that if you're not. Appreciate your guys' support and have a good rest of your guys' evening.